Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can buy SunWukong. Now SunWukong is a meme coin on the Tron network, and the meme coins on Tron are doing a pretty decent job. For example, there is Sundog, then there is SunPepe and rest of them. And at the time of making this video, SunWukong is sitting around 18 million US dollar market cap. And if we talk about the total supply, it's 1 billion, and the circulating supply is equal to the total supply, which is a good thing. Now, if you want to buy SunWukong meme coin, you can buy it on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange, and I will be showing you both the options. So, if you want to go ahead and buy it on a centralized exchange, you can buy it on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can use my sign up referral link in the description, which will give you 1000 USDT as sign up bonus. And Mexc Global has the lowest buying and the selling fees across. So, if we talk about the maker fees, it's 0% and taker is 0.01 to 0.02%. Now, once you set up an account on Mexc Global, you can either buy USDT directly on Mexc Global or transfer it from other centralized exchange or wallet. Then simply head to Spot, click on Spot and search for SunWukong. Now head a bit down and you can buy this meme coin at the current market price. So just put in the amount of USDT and click on buy, or else you can go ahead and put a limit order. For example, if you want to buy it at 0.015, simply put 0.015, put in the amount of USDT and wait for the price of SunWukong to fall down to 0.015 level. Then your order would be executed and then you would be getting this meme coin in your Mexc Global account. Now let's say if you don't want to use a centralized exchange like Mexc Global, you can also buy SunWukong on a decentralized exchange like Sun.io. So simply go ahead and connect any Tron wallet. In this case I have connected my Bitget wallet. And the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and transfer some Tron from the centralized exchange to your Tron wallet. Now once you are here, simply go ahead and search for SunWukong. So just type SunWukong, and as you can see you have this token. Now at times there can be scam tokens, so in order to avoid this, simply head back to CoinGecko, go a bit down, copy the token contract address, go ahead and paste it over here on the top and click on this. Now let's say if you want to go ahead and swap 10 Tron, then it will calculate the best price, and as per the current exchange rate, you would be getting around 86 SunWukong meme coin in your Tron wallet. So simply go ahead and click on swap. Now since I don't have sufficient Tron balance, that's the reason why it's not giving me the option to swap, as the option to swap comes over here. And please note that the price impact should be minimum and there is a transaction fee for every swap that you do. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy this SunWukong meme coin. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.